Opposite of tail, all lines except the last n lines. How can I discard the last n lines of a file with a Unix command line filter? That would be sort of the opposite of tail. Tail discards the first n lines but pipes the rest through, but I want the command to pipe everything through except the last n lines. Unfortunately I haven't found anything like that. Head doesn't help, too. Edit, at least in Solaris it does not take negative arguments. Update, I'm mostly interested in a solution that works for big files, i.e. log files, where you might want to inspect what happened except in the last minutes.
If you have new head, you can use to print all but the last 5 lines of file.txt. If head in takes no negative arguments, try
Here's a simple way to delete the last line, which works on BSD, etc. The expression reads on the last line, delete it. The other lines will be printed, since that is sed's default behavior. You could chain them together to remove multiple lines, which is a little heavy-handed, admittedly, but does only one scan through the file. You can also take a look at this, for more answers, this URL. Here's a one-liner adapted from one of my favorites there. I had fun deciphering that one, and I hope you do, too. It does buffer count lines as it scans, but otherwise is pretty efficient. Note, the is quoted using single quotes to avoid it being interpreted by bash, if that's your shell. Plain double quotes around the whole thing works for sh, possibly others.
On Mac, the solution of getting all lines except the last n lines will not work, as you will get the following error. One of the solutions is installing unixutils and running git. The new core utilities or unixutils is a package of new software containing reimplementations for many of the basic tools, such as cat, ls, and rm, which are used on Unix-like operating systems.